this class, we are going to study about 3 cross 3 determinants of the matrix. See, some matrix is given to me which is of order 3 cross 3. As I told you earlier also that we can find the determinant only of a square matrix. So in the last class we have covered the determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix. In this class we are going to find the determinant of a 3 cross 3 matrix. Let us say some matrix is given to me, say 1, minus 1, 2, 0, 3, minus 1, 4, 1, say 3. Now when I have to find the determinant of this matrix, just see what is the procedure. I can expand along any row or any column. Let us first take the first row. See, what we have to do is just write this element here. This is 1. I have to multiply this element with the determinant of the rest of the matrix. What we have to do is we have to hide this first row and this first column because this element lies in first row and first column. So we will hide first row and first column and rest of the elements we will write in determinant form, which is 3, 1, minus 1 and 3. Next is I will put a minus sign here and then write this element. So it is minus 1. Now what I have to do is minus 1 lies in first row and second column. So hide this first row and second column. Rest of the elements are 0, 4, minus 1 and 3. Last element of this row is 2. So I will write plus 2. Now this 2 lies in first row and third column. So we will hide this row and this column. So rest of the elements are 0, 4, 3 and 1. Now let us solve this. We have already learned how to find the determinant of this 2 cross 2 matrix. So apply the same method here. See, 3 into 3, 9. We have to put this minus sign and 1 into minus 1. So it will be minus 1. Minus minus plus 1 into 0 into 3, 0 minus 4 into minus 1 and plus 2 again 0 minus 12. So we will get 1, 9 plus 1, 10 plus 1 into, see what I am getting, 0 minus 4 into minus 1. So I will get plus 4 plus 2 into minus 12. So our answer will be 10 plus 4 minus 24. So I get 14 minus 24, which is minus 10. So this is the method to solve the determinant of a 3 cross 3 matrix. Always remember the sign goes like this. When I am expanding along first row, it will be plus, minus, plus. Along the second row, it will be minus, plus, minus. And third row along, plus, minus, plus. So you have to remember this thing. In this example, I have expanded along the first row. So I have taken these signs, plus, then negative and then plus. So if, in the same example, if I expand along the second row, see my answer. But remember, for finding determinant, we just have to expand along any row or any column, only one. I am just explaining, if I expand this matrix along the second row, then it will be determinant of, first I have to put a negative sign. Now see this, it is 0. So 0 into anything will give me 0 only. So I will just write 0 here. Then second will be plus and my element is 3. So again the same method goes. 3 lies in second row and second column. So I will hide second row and second column and the rest of the elements are 1, 4, 2 and 3. And then because I am expanding along second row, I again have to put a negative sign and then write the element, which is minus 1. So again minus 1 means second row and third column I have to write. So I will get 1, 4, minus 1 and 1. So just expand this, it will be 3 minus 8 plus 1 into 1 plus 4. So my answer will be 3 minus 8 gives me minus 5 plus 1 into 5, which is minus 15 plus 5, which is minus 10. So I can expand along any row or any column which is convenient.